Founded by Ibrahim Polat in 1970, POLEKS provides service to its domestic and overseas customers with its adventure of almost half a century. Starting as a small-scale corporation to its service life, POLEKS has achieved to make an expedient brand, attaining a growth strategy in very short time. Making difference by producing the machines which could not be made in Turkey before, the company produces all kinds of engine reconditioning machines. Extending the scale of the sector to which it appeals day by day, our company also started to produce molds and surface grinding machines which are used in the manufacturing sector in 2005 and successfully produces various different types and sizes. Manufacturing both standard and special-sized orders in the domestic and foreign markets, the company has adopted the quality and qualified service concept. In this context, it makes special production machines upon the request of the customer, taking the decision to convey its mass. Quality and qualified production potential to different sectors, POLEKS started to produce single-cylinder diesel engines in 2003. The company, which entered the casting sector under the name POLEKS in 2009, continues its production in its 12,000 square meter factory site, 6,000 square meter of which is indoor area, in the organized industrial zone 2 of Konya as of the year 2010. The company has been institutionalized with the title POLEKS in the name of making the cast parts of the bodies of the machine and engines it produces more quality and speedily in its structure, as well as assisting its colleagues who are the machine manufacturers by servicing in the casting sector. The company is of 2,000 kg per an hour capacity and 2,500 kg casting in one piece in the latest technology induction furnaces, with its specialist staff and equipment pool offering strong substructure facility. Rendering services in various sectors, POLEKS obtained ISO 9001 Quality Management Certificate in 2002 and CE Certificate in 2004. Rendering service in its customer both in domestic and foreign countries, always delivering quality products in time, POLEKS has achieved to make a pioneer company in its sector with its reasonable pricing policy and after-sale professional support service, offering service to many of the countries around the world, mainly the United States of America, England, Germany, Iran, Morocco, Algeria, Tunisia, Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, Russian, and Azerbaijan are among the countries POLEKS exports, as well as having distributorship in the Far East, South America, and North Africa continents. Owning a sample company profile with its experienced and decisive management, strong production capabilities, R&D department doing studies on the favor to maintain a constant development, POLEKS enjoys its pride and happiness for being a sought and preferred brand and contributing to the economy of the country. Appreciating and taking care of its thousands of customers since it was established, our company expresses its sincere thanks for your close interest and support and works up to render service to you, the most valued customers of ours, with the excitement on the first day and self-sacrifice today and in future.